The first thing which I would like to clarify is about the inflationary trend which has set in. Full stop. One of the members, a very experienced member of this house who had been in the planning commission and knows that the intricacies of how the things are being worked out, has been pleased to state here that the rate of inflation is very high, and added to that the balance of payments position is going to be very bad, full stop, compared with the percentage that we have worked our for the sixth plan as a whole for imports, for the first year the import bill has risen very high, full stop. Then how is this assumption going to be correct, question mark? That is the point, and a very valid point which he raised during the course of the discussion, full stop. New paragraph. He also mentioned about the finance minister making his speech at Kanpur, wherein he seems to have made a reference that a little inflationary trend is a kind of a stimulant to the economy, full stop. The inflationary trends we cannot view in isolation, full stop. He will definitely agree with us that there are two factors which will have to be taken into account, full stop. The first factor is the international situation which is now obtaining, full stop. Secondly, whether we like it or not, we have to import the oil products, full stop. If they are to be imported, can we take a serious view of the situation, question mark? That is a thing which I am sure most of the members there will be able to appreciate, full stop. New paragraph. The second aspect is, why is it that we have such a high import bill in 1980-81, question mark, when the plan itself commenced and when we were talking in terms of 9%, immediately in the very first year it jumped, full stop. I am sure that most of the members are aware of the fact that it is on account of the kind of legacy that this government got, full stop. I would like to dilate on that issue, full stop, but the fact of the matter is that the agricultural production had gone down, full stop. Even in the industrial sector there was a decline of 1.4%, full stop. The coal production had considerably gone down in terms of production, and the electricity generation was at the lowest, full stop. If we had to make a beginning, which in fact is within the control of the government of India, with these infrastructural facilities which will have to be provided both in the agricultural sector and the industrial sector, concerted efforts will have to be made, full stop.